Hello guys, welcome back. For today's video, I'm gonna review this ULANZI G8-7 GoPro chargeable lead and to show some tips on how to film a video in the longer run. So stay tuned for this video. So guys, now that this has finally arrived, what's good about this is you don't have to worry for your battery to be exposed while using it. I got this from the online store, and if you want some of this accessory for your Hero 8, the link is in the description box. This is actually my first time doing this unboxing and making a review for this chargeable lead door accessory for the Hero 8. And of course guys, if you want something like this, go to my description box and check the link below. This actually took 4 days only to arrive here in the Philippines from overseas. Just for information guys, I didn't get this from Amazon or any known online store outside the country. If you're familiar with the online store Shopee, which is well known here in the Philippines, all of my accessories here in this video is coming from there. Now I'm gonna get my GoPro and to compare this third-party door lid to the original one. And as you can see guys, they have the same size, the same texture. Now the only difference was the original door lid cover has this aluminum thing in the top, while the other one has not. Now let's try to put this on and see how is it look like. And there you have it guys, it fits perfectly. At first I find it difficult to connect. I put this case, which is made from plastic, just an ordinary case, and now using my power grip from ULANZI. This is the older version, the ULANZI BG-1. It has the power of 5200 mAh. And also for these accessories, the link is in the description box. And if you power on, just press 1. If you power off, just press twice. You can see the red dot there from the top of the GoPro, means that it's charging, and you can use your GoPro while charging. You can now enjoy more and spending more time with your GoPro, taking videos or time lapse. The only problem is that you will be needing more memory card just in case you reach its limit. Alright guys, I just want to share this to you. Maybe some of you watching this video already knew what I'm about to show you. If you don't want your battery get charging while you're using you can actually remove the battery from the camera and use your power grip and make this as your battery for your GoPro. Gonna remove the battery from the GoPro, and as you can see, there's no more battery inside, and I'm just gonna get my power cord and connect my power grip with the camera. And you see here guys that the power grip turned on, but there's no red light coming from the camera because there's no battery inside and it's not charging. And let's see if the camera turns on. And there you have it guys, it turned on even without the battery, only the power grip supplying power for the camera. And as you can see, the power boost cannot be turned on because the camera is in super view. Enable to turn on, we have to turn to wide angle so the power boost can be turned on. There you have it guys, turned on, and let's see if the camera can record. So there you have it guys, thank you so much for watching, and if you find this video useful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you have some thoughts, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and see you in the next one.